Warp versus iTerm2. Which terminal should you use? Choosing the right terminal can completely change how you code and manage your workflow without slowing down or struggling with outdated features. Warp offers a modern GPU-accelerated experience, while iTerm2 delivers powerful customization. Warp and iTerm2 are two popular terminal emulators for macOS, but they differ fundamentally. Warp focuses on a GPU-accelerated, collaborative, and modern interface, while iTerm2 emphasizes deep customization and scripting capabilities. Understanding this core difference helps pick the best tool for your workflow. Warp is a next-generation terminal designed to boost productivity by leveraging GPU acceleration for smooth performance. It features a modern user interface with built-in collaboration tools, allowing developers to share sessions and commands in real time. Warp supports command palettes, autocomplete, and inline file previews, making complex workflows more accessible. Its design focuses on ease of use with a visually appealing layout and clear typography. However, Warp is currently limited to macOS and requires an internet connection for some collaboration features. It may not support all legacy terminal customizations or advanced scripting that power users rely on. Warp is ideal for developers seeking a fast, visually modern terminal with built-in collaboration and productivity features, especially teams working remotely or those who prefer a streamlined, GPU-powered experience. iTerm2 is a highly customizable terminal emulator for macOS that extends the native terminal app with advanced features. It offers split panes, extensive keyboard shortcuts, and support for scripting through Python and AppleScript, making it a favorite among power users. iTerm2 supports a wide range of terminal customization, including color schemes, profiles, and triggers. It excels in flexibility and control, allowing users to tailor their environment precisely. While it lacks the modern GPU-accelerated interface of Warp, iTerm2 is stable, mature, and does not require internet access for any functionality. Its limitations include a steeper learning curve and a more traditional interface that may feel dated to some users. iTerm2 suits developers who need deep customization, scripting capabilities, and a reliable offline terminal experience on macOS. Warp and iTerm2 cater to different user needs. Warp shines in collaborative environments and for those who want a sleek, GPU-powered terminal with modern UI and productivity tools out of the box. It speeds up workflows with autocomplete and inline previews, but depends on internet connectivity for some features. iTerm2, on the other hand, offers unmatched customization and scripting power, perfect for users who demand full control over their terminal environment without relying on external services. For solo developers or those who prefer traditional terminals, iTerm2 provides a robust offline experience. The trade-off is between Warp's modern collaborative approach and iTerm2's deep customization and scripting flexibility. Choose Warp if you want a visually modern, GPU-accelerated terminal with built-in collaboration and productivity features tailored for streamlined workflows and team environments. Opt for iTerm2 if you need extensive customization, scripting support, and a stable, offline terminal experience on macOS. Both are excellent, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize modern collaboration or deep control over your terminal setup.